Thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to explore Arizona, the astrotourism capital of the United States, and why our diverse landscape is a perfect setting for Arizona's dark skies. Arizona is divided up into 5 regions: Northern Arizona, North Central Arizona, Phoenix and Central Arizona, the West Coast, and Tucson and Southern Arizona. Arizona is the astrotourism capital of the United States. In fact, the International Dark Sky Association, aka IDA, is based here. Arizona has the most IDA designated dark sky communities and parks of any other state or country, 17 to be exact. This is broken down to 7 dark sky communities and 10 dark sky parks. Of the 17, 2 are national parks, the Grand Canyon National Park and Petrified Forest National Park. Arizona's 7 IDA International Dark Sky communities are Big Park Village of Oak Creek, Camp Verde, Cottonwood, Flagstaff, Fountain Hills, Sedona, and Thunder Mountain Pootsie Night Sky, which is part of the Kaibab Paiutes Reservation. Here's a breakdown of Northern Arizona's dark sky communities, parks, and observatories, planetariums. As you can see, 6 of our 10 dark sky parks are located in Northern Arizona. Let's start with Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. Sunset Crater volcano exploded a mere 1,000 years ago and is named for its rim of red and yellow cinders, similar to an Arizona sunset. Today, the ground is covered with lava flows and cinder deposits, surrounded by wildflowers, pine, and aspen trees. Visitors can join rangers on tours to learn about geology, wildlife, and lava flows. Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument occasionally offers summer night sky events to take advantage of the beautiful dark skies in the area, so keep an eye on the park's website. Wupatki National Monument is made of rock walls of 800-year-old pueblos, which were once home to thousands of people. Visitor center exhibits explain how they survived by farming, hunting, gathering, and trading. Walnut Canyon National Monument has paved trails where you can walk among the cliff dwellings and pueblos where people lived 800 years ago as well. You can take a stroll on the 1-mile island trail, which descends into the Walnut Canyon, descending about 185 feet. You can also take the shorter rim trail, which offers overlooks and a pit house display. These 3 monuments are located within Flagstaff, which is the world's first designated international dark sky place in the United States. For dark sky programming within the monuments and updates, be sure to visit discoverflagstaff.com. The Grand Canyon National Park embraces their dark sky designation as well, with an annual party in June that lasts 8 days and includes slideshows, constellation tours, and telescope viewing. The Grand Canyon Parashant National Monument is one of the most remote areas in the contiguous United States and is located on the northern edge of the Grand Canyon in northwest Arizona. It's about a 3-hour drive from the Grand Canyon National Park South Rim. This monument offers night views that have won it a gold tier status from the IDA. Finally, the Petrified Forest National Park is a paleontological wonderland of trees that have turned to stone and fossilized animal bones from 225 million years ago. At the northern end of the park is the Painted Desert, a vast area of purple, red, and orange sediments which form colorful badlands. Northern Arizona is also home to the Apache Sitgreaves Observatory, Winslow Homology Observatory, and the Lowell Observatory. The Lowell Observatory was founded in 1894 and is an astronomical research facility that also features visitor programs. During the day, you can explore the observatory's history and current research by joining guided tours. In the evening, you can view through a variety of telescopes and experience interactive live presentations in the mini planetarium on their open deck observatory. Other notable places in northern Arizona that offer astronomy programming are the Homology State Park and the Meteor Crater. Homology State Park includes Hopi archaeological sites, a visitor center and a museum, various trails, and a campground. For astronomy fans, the park offers monthly star parties at the Winslow Homology Observatory. The meteor crater is the best preserved impact site on Earth. Nearly a mile across and 570 feet deep, this giant crater was created 49,000 years ago by a nickel-iron meteor denser than any material found on Earth. Let's continue on to north central Arizona, which is home to 4 dark sky communities and 1 dark sky park. The Tonto National Monument is located along Theodore Roosevelt Lake, and the monument was established in 1907 by President Theodore Roosevelt. It strives to preserve the night sky by reducing artificial light emitted from the park. Since 2016, Tonto National Monument has provided educational opportunities for the public to enjoy the night sky and learn about various astronomical topics with the Park After Dark Night Sky program series. Jim and Linda Lee Planetarium is in Prescott and is located on the campus of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. This planetarium offers shows for the public most Friday evenings and Saturday afternoons. It was completed in 2017 and continues to add programming and special events, so be sure to visit their website for more information. Let's continue down south to Greater Phoenix, Central Arizona, which is home to 1 dark sky community and 3 observatories and planetariums. Arizona Science Center is located in downtown Phoenix. You can explore more than 300 hands-on exhibits and 5 themed galleries. The largest planetarium in the state is also located at the center, as well as an IMAX theater, City Bakery Cafe, and a gift shop. The Gilbert Rotary Centennial Observatory is in Gilbert, Arizona, and was built in 2005 to mark the 100th anniversary of Rotary International. It is open year-round on Friday and Saturday evenings. They also host a public star party on the 2nd Friday of each month. Mesa Community College is home to one of Arizona's newest planetariums. Their Astronomy Nights program is offered on the 1st Friday of the month from February to May and through September to December, which is a free public event. Let's continue our way down south to Tucson and southern Arizona. This region is home to 3 dark sky parks and multiple observatories and planetariums. Let's start with Kartchner Caverns State Park, which is located in Benson, Arizona. Kartchner Caverns is a world-class limestone cave by day and a stunning dark sky by night. The live cave is host to a wide variety of unique minerals and formations. Kartchner Caverns State Parks was one of the first state parks in the United States to be granted the One Star at a Time award and became a member of the Global Star Park Network. This award acknowledges the public stargazing events held here in an effort to increase awareness of astronomy and preserving dark skies for future generations. Star parties are scheduled periodically, so be sure to check out their website for updates. Oracle State Park is a 4,000-acre wildlife refuge in the northern foothills of the Catalina Mountains near Tucson. Oracle is far enough away from most light pollution sources, making the Milky Way visible, along with many other celestial objects. Oracle State Park also serves as a center for environmental education and provides programming for all ages. Tumacacori National Historic Park staff use night skies as a means of conveying a sense of what the Southwest was like when the first Spanish missionaries arrived in the 17th century. Since 2016, this park has conducted a number of evening programs intended to draw visitors' attention to the night sky over Tumacacori in the context of natural darkness as a cultural resource. There's also many observatories and planetariums in southern Arizona. Fred Lawrence Whipple Observatory is the largest field installation of the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory outside Cambridge, Massachusetts. The Visitor Center, located at the base of Mount Hopkins in the Santa Rita Mountains, features displays and exhibits on astronomy and astrophysics, natural science, and cultural history. It is open to the public with varying seasonal hours and conducts all-day guided tours. Mount Lemmon Sky Center Observatory offers Sky Nights, a popular after-dark stargazing program that takes advantage of the unique capabilities of the Sky Center for experiencing the heavens. The Sky Nights experience is offered many nights throughout the year. Learn the constellations, observe interesting atmospheric phenomena, and view the wonders of the cosmos from a high-quality astronomical site using a new 32-inch Schulman telescope, the most powerful publicly accessible telescope in Arizona. Mount Graham International Observatory is in Safford, Arizona. The Discovery Park campus of Eastern Arizona College offers all-day tours of Mount Graham International Observatory many weekends from May to October. The tour features a 40-mile trip up scenic Mount Graham and a guided tour of the observatories, the submillimeter telescope, the Vatican Advanced Technology Telescope, and the Large Binocular Telescope. Flandreau Science Center and Planetarium is located on the University of Arizona campus in Tucson. Visitors can experience planetarium shows in the state-of-the-art planetarium theater, where we launch from the Earth to explore planets, moons, asteroids, and beyond. On occasion, Flandreau's Observatory telescope is open for free thanks to volunteers from the Department of Astronomy at the University of Arizona. Richard F. Karras Mir Lab offers 90-minute tours for guests to have a unique opportunity to learn how innovative engineering and optical technology meld with manufacturing techniques to produce the largest and most advanced telescope mirrors in the world, 27 feet to be exact. These telescopes will explore deep into outer space and produce cutting-edge scientific research. Kitt Peak National Observatory houses one of the largest collections of optical and radio telescopes in the world. It is located nearly 7,000 feet above the Sonoran Desert. There are 24 optical and 2 radio telescopes at the Kitt Peak, which represent dozens of astronomical research institutions. Visitors can watch scientists operate the world's largest solar telescope, embark on a guided tour, or participate in an overnight stargazing program. The Patterson Observatory is open to the public once a month on the Thursday nearest to the first quarter moon. Weather permitting, you'll be able to view the heavens with the 20-inch Patterson telescope and other instruments. If you're lucky, you'll be able to see craters of the crescent moon, gas giant planets Uranus and Neptune, double stars, various star clusters, nebula, planetary nebula, and distant galaxies. Other notable areas in southern Arizona that offer astronomy programming are the Catalina State Park, Saguaro National Park, and Chiricahua National Monument. The Catalina State Park in Oracle is made up of 5,500 acres of foothills at the base of the majestic Santa Catalina Mountains and offers periodic night sky events. The park's canyons and streams invite camping, picnicking, and bird watching. In fact, more than 150 species of birds call the park home. The park's miles of equestrian, hiking, and biking trails wind through the park and into the Coronado National Forest at elevations near 3,000 feet. Those in search of a trek through the classic, towering saguaro cacti, for which the Sonoran Desert is famous for, can set out on the many trails in Saguaro National Park and the Tucson Mountains just west of the city. The park is made up of 2 districts separated by Tucson's 1 million residents. Here you can participate in moonlight hikes and excursions, sunset hikes, and moonrise over the mountains patio talks. You can check out future programming on the National Park Service website, nps.gov. Chiricahua National Monument offers periodic nighttime programming, including night sky exploration events and full moon hikes. Visitors may explore a 12,000-acre wonderland of rocks, complete with towering spires and unique rock formations. These are the remnants of a volcanic eruption 1,000 times greater than the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. This concludes our destination training, but if you'd like more information, please visit our website, www.visitarizona.com, or check out our trade microsite as well, also noted here. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.